Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So we all have tried or have heard about marble cake. Today we will be making a very different cake. This is called cake lapis. It is a layered cake served in Malaysia on special occasions. So let's start with our recipe. For this recipe we will need all these ingredients. So first we will need a bowl and a strainer. To this we will add all-purpose flour or maida, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda or meetha soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder. We will sieve all our dry ingredients into the bowl. We will mix our dry ingredients. Then we will add 200 ml of condensed milk, 100 grams of salted butter, 2 teaspoons of vinegar. We will add vinegar to activate our baking soda. This will not make our cake sour. Then we will add 100 ml or half cup of water. And finally 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Then we will mix all our ingredients using an electric whisker or a hand whisker. After properly mixing, we have to divide our mixture into 2 halves. One is for vanilla and the other for chocolate. To the chocolate one, we will add cocoa powder. I have used 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. You have to mix it in very well, ensuring there are no lumps. I have used a 7 inches cake tin which I have greased with some butter and maida and placed a butter paper on top. Butter paper helps the cake in easy demolding. Now we have to take a half cup measuring spoon and fill it properly with the chocolate batter. Then pour the chocolate batter into the greased tin and level it properly. I have already preheated my oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now we have to bake the first layer for 8 to 10 minutes on both rods. So our first layer is baked. Now we will take half cup of vanilla batter and place it over our chocolate baked layer. We will level it properly. Now we have to bake this again for 8 to 10 minutes, but this time we will bake it on the upper rod. Our second layer is ready. We will now continue this process. This cake may take some time and effort, but the end result is just worth it. And don't worry, the layers won't burn. And this is our final layer. We will bake it for 10 to 12 minutes and our cake will be ready. To decorate, we will pour some chocolate ganache on top. Then we will keep our cake in the refrigerator to set for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just give it a wiggle to have a smooth surface. I will cut the cake into a square so that all the layers are properly visible. And now it's time for the big reveal. All our layers are properly visible and differentiated. Our cake looks so beautiful. Do try it out. It's super soft and tasty. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.